When comparing Mercedes-Benz and BMW, two of Germany's most iconic automakers, key differences emerge in their approach to luxury and performance. Mercedes-Benz is renowned for its sophisticated comfort, cutting-edge safety features, and smooth, elegant ride. BMW, on the other hand, is celebrated for its sporty driving dynamics, precise handling, and driver-focused interiors. While Mercedes emphasizes refinement and prestige, BMW appeals to those who crave excitement behind the wheel. Ultimately, both brands offer exceptional quality with distinct personalities. When considering technology, both Mercedes-Benz and BMW lead with innovative features, but their approaches reflect their core philosophies. Mercedes-Benz often prioritizes cutting-edge comfort and connectivity, offering intuitive infotainment systems and advanced driver assistance technologies that create a luxurious, seamless driving environment. BMW, meanwhile, integrates technology to enhance performance, focusing on responsive controls, customizable driving modes, and digital displays that keep the driver engaged. Ultimately, choosing between them depends on whether you value serene luxury or dynamic engagement behind the wheel. Both Mercedes-Benz and BMW offer a wide range of models, from compact cars to powerful SUVs and high-performance vehicles, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every lifestyle. Mercedes-Benz emphasizes timeless design, with graceful lines and a focus on elegance throughout its lineup. BMW, on the other hand, embraces bold, athletic styling, characterized by its signature kidney grille and aggressive stance. Reliability, brand heritage, and extensive customization options further distinguish these marques, making each ownership experience truly unique. When it comes to ownership experience, both Mercedes-Benz and BMW deliver outstanding service, but with distinct atmospheres. Mercedes-Benz dealerships tend to emphasize personalized attention and a serene, upscale environment, reinforcing their reputation for luxury and care. BMW, meanwhile, cultivates a sporty and energetic vibe, appealing to enthusiasts eager to discuss performance and engineering. Both brands invest heavily in after-sales support, maintenance packages, and certified pre-owned programs, ensuring peace of mind and long-term satisfaction for their customers. When it comes to long-term reliability and resale value, both Mercedes-Benz and BMW have established strong reputations, but subtle differences exist. Mercedes-Benz often appeals to those seeking a sense of tradition, with vehicles known for their enduring build quality and luxurious longevity. BMW, on the other hand, attracts drivers who prioritize a spirited connection to the road, valuing innovation and advanced engineering. Ultimately, the choice between these iconic brands depends on individual preferences and what you value most in a driving experience. When deciding between Mercedes-Benz and BMW, it's important to consider what truly matters to you as a driver. If you value a tranquil ride, advanced comfort features, and an environment that exudes classic luxury, Mercedes-Benz may be your ideal choice. On the other hand, if you crave agile handling, a responsive drive, and an interior designed for the enthusiast, BMW stands out. Both brands consistently push boundaries, ensuring that whichever you select, you'll enjoy a remarkable automotive experience.